how to fix FreshCut app not working. So if you want to fix FreshCut app not working, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Like if you're using your Wi-Fi, you can switch to your mobile data, or if you're using your mobile data, you can switch to your Wi-Fi and check if your problem has been fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is just simply go back and then open up your Play Store at first. After opening your Play Store, go with search and search for FreshCut. After searching, if you have any updates on your application, you just need to simply go and update it, and it might fix your problem. But if you don't have any updates, then you can go and open up your settings, scroll down, go with apps. From apps, you need to go with manage apps, and from there you need to go with search apps and then search for FreshCut. Once you've searched, just simply tap on the application and then just simply go with clear data, which will be in the bottom right, and tap on clear cache and tap on OK, and your problem might be fixed. Or you can just simply go and restart your device, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.